Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all guys are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this the palindrome pattern problem of GFG. So let's move on to the problem guys. So here we are given a 2D array of size n into m that contain only 0 and 1. I need to find a row or column that are whose element will be a palindrome. A palindrome is a string or an array that is same from if I read it from starting or if I read it from ending. That is same. So if I have multiple palindromes, like some of rows are palindrome, some of column are palindrome, then I need to prioritize the palindrome in my row. Okay, so I need to prefer row over column. So it means if I found a palindrome in my row, I don't need to check in column because I need to return a single row. Okay, I can return the row if I found a palindrome. Now, if in row, if I found multiple palindrome, then I need to prefer palindrome with smaller index. Okay, like okay. So what I basically need to do, I will gonna check for all rows from index 0 to n minus 1, and if for any ith row I found it is a palindrome, I will gonna return the answer because I know if further I will gonna found the palindrome as well, then the index will be bigger. Or if I found a palindrome in my column, then I need to prioritize my row. Okay, so as soon as I found my palindrome, I will gonna return it. So guys, now how are we gonna solve it? This n is the dimension, like size of the rows and column. Now I am checking for all rows. Here I is the row id, and L is the starting of my column, R is the starting of my ending of my column. Okay, this is like this. This, let's suppose my column is this. Okay, A B C D F means 0 any value. Then my L will be this. My L will point out to this. R will point out to this L and R. If this A and F are equal, I will check for this, like basically palindrome check. This is a basic palindrome check. While my index L is less than R, and my both ith row, lth element, ith row, rth element are equal, I will increase my L index, decrease my R index. Okay, and as soon as I will gonna make this false, like L became equal to R, it means a common element, or L exceed R, it means I have checked for all the element. So if my L greater than equal to R, it means the ith row is palindrome. So I need to return this ith row. I will gonna convert it to string and return it, and plus is the format I need to return space R. Here I am checking for row. Here my I is representation of my column. R is the starting point of my row. L is the starting point of my row. R is the ending point of my row. Here it is like this. L will point to this. R will point to this. Okay. Now while L less than R, like index is valid. Initially I am okay. I don't need to take this is pal. I don't need to take this. I don't need to take this variable. Okay. So here till my L is less than R. So what I need to do, I need to return, I need to check if my Lth element of my ith column are same, if my Rth element of my ith column are same. Okay, if they are, this is basic way of accessing Lth or Rth element of ith column, accessing Lth Rth element of ith row. Okay, index here I is first, here I is second, because here I am checking for row, here I am checking for column. So if this is, I will increase my L index, decrease my R. If this satisfy, it means L exceed R, it means all the common element are checked. I need to return this. Here it will become same, means I am checking for column. If both of these does not return any of the R or C, it means we have checked for all rows, we have checked for all column. We don't have any answer, so I simply need to return -1. So let's submit it. Let's submit this problem. This is AC. I have checked, but still. Okay, guys. So if you okay, this you can see all the 200 SKG pass or time taken is just 0.01. Okay, these are GFG hard, by the way. I don't know why they mark it hard. Okay, guys. So if you have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and check out my channel for more of these type of videos. Thank you for watching this, guys. Stay tuned.